Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we've got a front door deadbolt that's all bored out. I can't secure the screw to repair, or we have to put in long screws to reach the stud. This deadbolt catch is all bored out, so we're gonna fix it so we won't be bored. I'm gonna show you how. Let's get to it. Want to pull the weather stripping off. Now I'm going to take my cordless multi-tool and I'm going to notch this piece of wood out. Block of wood. Mark where the deadbolt hits. Now if you're redoing a deadbolt like I am, you don't need to wood fill it, and we're just going to drill a hole and cover it with the plate. But if you're making a wood repair, just make sure these planes are flush. You can wood filler over the cracks, sand it after it dries, and it'll be like new. So we got our block all in there nice and tight. Now I've got one of these catches. It kind of slips in behind the weather stripping and you secure it. You may have one like this, but we're both going to do them the same way. So I'm going to put this in here. Mark where the hole is. Try the deadbolt. Working awesome. If you do have that little oval catch plate, you do it the same way. Mark the center, drill your hole, and secure it with screws. So that's it. We just rocked that door repair / wood repair, secured the deadbolt catch, and now you can keep out those pesky relatives. So for Home Mender, this is Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.